I've been starting this parang morning routine up at 5 a.m. What happened?
Is this hard work, Mommy?
Malunggay na. And may kumuha. The orders is really catching up with our shop.
Welcome back to our channel.
Matthew 5, seeing the crowds, he went up on the mountain, and when Jesus sat down, Jesus' disciples came to him. So they are listening. Diba last time, Daddy read that Jesus went, there's a crowd that is following him na. And blessed are you if you are persecuted for the name of the Lord, because your reward will be great in heaven. Blessed are you if you are merciful. Do you know what is merciful? Because you will also receive mercy. Blessed are those who are poor in spirit.
It does not say, blessed are those who have many money. It does not say, blessed are those who have Nintendo Switch. In God's perspective, those who are blessed and those who are really happy are those who are serving Him, and are those who are pure in heart, those who are peacemakers, those who are persecuted, who are being hated by people because they love God.
Are you ready na? Black shoes na lang. How about jacket? Achi, can you help Faye find socks? Yeah, and ID. Okay, kiss mo na lang. Kiss mo. Okay, go na. We gonna call Daddy. Wait lang. Babe, 7 pa Marishumi na class. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. It's Mommy Doc and it's 2026. It's start of the year, parang first Monday of the year. And you know, parang dapat na-set aside na yung holiday feels, tawag na to, and really go back na with our routine, with our family, lahat ng yun. Pero nakakatawa lang kasi we have bloopers. For me and Daddy, syempre kami naman kasi na may work pa rin kami kahit nung 31, tapos parang nag-holiday lang kami nung 1, tapos balik naman nung 2, tapos ang nag-weekend, ganun. Pero syempre parang hindi pa rin talaga nakabalik totally. Pero now, yun, magsa-start up kami lahat. We have so many plans with Daddy, especially me with my work. I will be undergoing mga training. I will be training yung mga sasali sa team ko, lahat ng yon. And also with Daddy, it's a big thing sa kanila kasi lumipat. Parang yung company nila lumabas sa third party, so they will be directly to their client na. So, nagsiset up din siya, lahat ng yun, even here sa house. And yun nga, dapat, diba, balik na sa school yung mga kids. Sobrang nakakatawa yung bloopers namin ni Daddy kasi alam kong January 7, but I never ever Na ano ba, hindi ako nag-check ng calendar. Akala ko is 7 is Monday. So, akala ko today na siya. Yun pala, 5 pa lang pala. So, funny talaga. So, sa 7 pa yung balik nila. So, mag-U-turn sila ni Daddy. Mabuti na lang, hindi pa sila umabot ng school. Pero nag-drive na sila going to school. Tatawa talaga. So, pabalik na sila. And as nakita nyo kanina, I've been starting this parang morning routine to really set up everything. It started talaga when I studied the Proverbs 31. Na I think that's very, very, parang alam natin yun. If you're a Christian and a mother or a wife or a lady, the Proverbs 31 woman. So isa yung sinaprompt niya is to really pray. I think to-share ko dito yan sa vlog to really intentionally pray for my husband. It coincide with what we are experiencing. May shinare si Daddy na parang struggle niya, and it really settled nung before it started the year, how we end the year, and we started talagang amazing talaga si Lord on how He worked it out with us sa amin ni Daddy. I'm just so blessed. Grabe yung prayer time namin ngayon, even kay Daddy, how He intentionally talaga plan out everything, especially for our family. I commend Him. I appreciate Him. The Proverbs 31 dyan, yung babae, she woke up na gabi pa. Parang ganon. I know I woke up na, minsan late na talaga. I woke up 7 usually or 6 if I prepared with the kids. Pero kasi I sleep very late at night kasi doon ko ginagawa lahat. Pero I tried to change it kasi yun nga, may iba naman talagang feel and really mas iba yung effect niya. So I tried it out. Parang second week ko na to na yun nga, I woke up very early. I woke up at 5 a.m. At night pa daw, yun siya. Then, I studied the Bible, I set up lahat yung skincare routine ko, dyan ko ginagawa. Even taking care of myself, I'm prompted to do that. Yun nga, nagbabasa ko ng Bible. And I set my prayer time for my husband in that one. I have a book that had been helping me, giving me wisdom. Ang galing ni Lord, kung paano niya pinakilala yan sa akin yung book na yan, in praying for my husband. So, dun ko siya pinipray si Daddy every day. And even with my kids, my personal time with the Lord, my Bible study, dun ko pinapasok at 5 a.m. So, after that, I do my, yun muna, setting up, nag-exercise na ako, I need to really go back in there. Sa ngayon, maulan siya, so we're going back also. Daddy, magbalik sa jogging, lahat ng yun. But personally, here at home, nag-start na kami to kahit dito sa bahay, to really exercise every day. And also, yung mga plans namin, especially kapag may mga activities kami, nasa-set up ko siya dyan na time. Tapos, I start my work early, para yung time na tinitake ko yung mga kids, piniprepare ko sila for school or anything like that, for the day, preparing them for the day, mas may time na ako. So, kasi natapos ko na yung first task ko for the morning. Except lang siguro kapag I have my training, specific talaga na set na time siya. So, it's really very, very, very nice. I think if I will have time, I will have a separate siguro na video where I can share to you my learning sa Proverbs 31 because it's just so amazing. Proverbs 31 is not just for married women or for those na may kids, but yun yung parang binigyan tayo na Lord ng parang guidelines. Minsan, Lord, ano ba ang gusto mo? What shall I do with this? What is something wrong with on how I do things as a woman? Kung wala ka pang family, how to build up yourself, lahat ng yon, and it's amazing. I hope this will be also a reminder for you guys. I know hindi na ako yung New Year's resolution lahat. I've been doing things. Kung the Lord prompted me that day, I will be doing that and continuing on with that. But it's just so amazing how year per year you can look back and look forward on what the Lord is doing for you and your family. So parang ganun din yung nangyayari sa amin. Kasi yung mga kids ko, nagkaroon sila ng flu, pero praise God kasi hindi siya talaga lumalala. Meron pa rin till now, they've been coughing, may mga sipon, pero not really na that, nga, yung alam mo yun, nahawaan yung buong family. It didn't go that way. So, been maintaining talaga even with their food, bawi talaga with healthy foods, lahat ng yun, and even helping in our kids. Pero ngayon, yung focus talaga namin ni Daddy since start is their relationship with the Lord, in studying the Word, just showing it with them, model it with them, how to pray, lahat ng yun. Yun! I think that's a good reminder, a morning reminder for you guys. If you're watching this, I hope this can help to really reassess ano kayang dapat gawin ko, ano ang gusto ng Lord ng mga changes na gagawin ko with my family, how to improve, may mga routine ba na dapat kang gawin, may mga habit na dapat focusan mo for this year that will really help you and your family. But I assure you, prayers is one of the best one, and you need it. If you are a Christian, if you know Christ, if you follow Christ, you should have your own prayer time. You should pray for your family, pray for your plans, lahat ng yon, and also studying the word of the Lord. What happened?
We don't have school.
Yeah, whose fault? Very silly. Who is silly? Are you done school?
No, we haven't have school, but there's no school.
Yeah, you changed na lang. That's for Wednesday na. Your school will resume on Wednesday.
I thought yes. You tricked me.
What's mommy doing?
Getting the grass off so that the water will not flood. Is this hard work, mommy?
What do you think? What's the face of mommy? Is it easy work or hard work?
Hard work.
Do you also want to do this?
No,
Why?
I'm thinking. For me, I like to. It's different.
You don't like doing this? We got a small break, Nasa car kami ngayon kasi nagkuha kami nung yan, Daddy is talking outside. Kumuha kami nung piano niya kasi siya parang from last week iba yung keyboard, ibang team sa church ang yung piano. Then this week it's their team na. So siya yung magpa-piano. Tapos yun lahat. So na sila, exchange na sila, and also he needs to isaseprahin niya pa yung mga songs nila lahat na yun. So, yun. Ayun siya, talking outside. Kasama namin yung ibang kids, ba sila? Sila Ellie and and Kai. Because bored na sila. Bored na sila sa bahay. Tapos while naman you. I thought that's the reason why you go with us, no? You just want to go with... you're not bored? Okay.
bring my coloring book.
Oh, so Ellie is not bored daw. She just wants to join us. Then, yun nga, frustrated pa kami kasi yung malunggay namin. Nasa labas ng bahay namin, may kumuha. Parang okay lang naman sa amin kasi sa labas naman niya, okay lang sa akin talaga may kumuha dyan ng malunggay, if they want to cook, the neighbors, everyone. Pero sana naman, kapag kukuha sila, alam mo yun, yung stem lang yung ikakat nila, stem ng malunggay lang, yung kinuha niya, yung buong branch, tapos pangit yung pagkat niya, parang pinul niya lang ata, parang ganun. So, nagpangit talaga. So, we need to, para maganda yung tubo niya agad. Tapos yung kinuha niya na part, magluluto kami sana ngayon ng tinolang manok. So, lalagyan ko ng malunggay. Wala na, yung mga maliliit na lang yung kinuha namin kasi inubos niya talaga kung sino man siya. Hopefully, you will be blessed with that malunggay. And we forgive you. Kasi kanina, inis na inis kami ni Daddy. Nakita kasi talaga namin yung parang stamp ba, yung kuha niya. Ang pangit talaga ng kuha. Parang, sige na lang.
For what shall it profit a man if shall gain the
entire malunggay.
Yes.
Hello. He have a Pokeball. Get inside to see his Pokemon. And he have a seat in the... That clothes you telephone. Don't fall. That baby game.
I am making tablaya. Yan, tablaya na drink. Thank you so much to my brother na galing ng Bohol. Yan, dinala niya kami ng kakao. And I'm making for everyone. Ay, si Daddy gumawa na siya ng sa kanya. But now, I'm making mine. And for the kids. Let's see kung kamusta yung lasa nito.
Just like your
Bye-bye! Bye, Achi! Bye, Feifei! Enjoy! Sa sobrang inis ko, hindi talaga talagaan yung garden namin. So, talagang one time big time siya namin. Even yung sa labas, but wait lang. It's already out. Officially, I'm out of work. Out na ako sa work pala. Out of work. Parang mali. And yeah, kakatapos ko lang maligo because of everything na ginawa namin. As in, super, nag-uproot kami ng lahat ng mga grass doon. Sobrang napabayaan siya talaga. That had been my project for so long. Tapos hindi na siya nagawa. So, kanina, tinulungan namin with my 2 assistants. Saka ako, lahat ng yun. Oh my gosh, may sand pa. At may sabon pa ako. Ano ba yan? Ayan, tinulungan nila and everything. And natapos siya. Diba? Kakaligo ko lang. Then, I'm so happy kasi dumating na rin yung mga yung garbage truck na umiikot dito. So, nakuha, nalinis lahat and everything. And it's so nice to just, parang makuha yan lahat sa mind ko. Sa new start of the year. Diba? Parang feel ko siya talaga. And so far, marami pa rin gagawin dito sa bahay. I know. So, paunti-unti, I will fix it up habang andun tayo. We are well motivated and everything. Lahat ng yun. So, isa-isahin ko sila. Ngayon, si Daddy, saka si Feifei, saka si Ellie, lumabas sila kasi si Feifei, start na nung art class niya again. So, sumama lang si Ellie. Then, si Daddy may some errands na bibilhin, then they'll be going home also. Bumili kami sana ng 2 luggages and it's so amazing. Thank you, Daddy. Kasi for all our troubles this year, sobrang dami kasi talaga, especially me going back and forth sa work. Nag-rearrange ako ng konti, so I'll be setting up again, organizing again and again. So mga kids, non-stop talaga yan. They always evolve, nagagamit yung mga things and everything.
Roll and clap, roll and clap, roll and clap, roll and clap, roll, roll, roll.
It's already 9 p.m. and I'm already in the room and our daddy's already working. Yeah, sobrang dami na nung orders. As in, the orders is really catching up with our shop. Cute yung son. It's a great blessing from the Lord, but I don't know kasi talagang super adjusting yung lahat-lahat. Parang this year sana I will really parang hindi naman talaga sobrang focus. We'll just maintain with what we have in the shop kasi syempre I cannot invest pa more time on that, especially if I will be focusing more with my kids and syempre yung demand pa with the work nakin ngayon na talagang parang there's something that I'm working on. So I think with the time I was given by the Lord, I just want to maintain it, able to really, alam mo yun, kahit yung inventory niya, maka-provide, hindi talaga out of stock, yung lahat ng yun. Kasi building din naman, yung parang kinikilala pa kami sa area na to kasi 'di ba lumipat nga kami before with our T-Bruce. Maganda na yung talaga, yung galaw ng orders namin with when we were in Tacoling. So nung nag-transfer kami dito, yun, paunti-unti pa lang siya. And surprisingly, kahit yung beans, kasi nagsisell din ako ng beans, which sinasama ko siya if I ordered my coffee beans from Baguio. So, nakaka-help out siya. Ngayon talagang nauubos sila and I really need to order again. I will not, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will not ever compromise yung time namin with the kids, yung time ko with my husband, with those things. Those things help out with our home, with our finances, with how we provide with our family. But syempre, yung most important thing is really being there with our kids, and especially yung marriage namin ni Harvey. This had been a full day. I am very, very, in pain yung katawan ko with all I've done. Syempre, nagsastart up pala ako sa pag-exercise. So, nag-adjust pa yung katawan ko. Tapos yung kanina namin, my gosh, nag-gardening and everything. I don't know what happened with that one. Super naglinis. Honestly, with all the organization, I'll just continue it the next day or tomorrow. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Good night.